Hey everyone, Eric Wilhelm here. Weather for Weather Geeks time, the Valley's most in-depth weather forecast video. We're going to take a look at our forecast for the next several days, including for the Easter holiday weekend. I wanted to start this evening, though, with a quick review of Sunday once again. The National Weather Service survey teams were out once again today looking at some damage in parts of Ohio and northwestern PA and did find more tornado damage. This was all EF0 tornado damage, but they were tornadoes nonetheless. A couple over in Venango County, east of Mercer County in PA, northwestern Stark County, and also parts of Tuscarawas County saw some low-end tornadoes on Sunday. The Stark County tornado occurred at about 5:15. We're going to take a look at that in a moment. The Tuscarawas County tornado occurred about 5:48, I believe, Sunday evening. This is kind of a four-panel look at the Pittsburgh radar snapshot at about that time. This is your traditional radar up here showing the rain. This is the velocity data off the Pittsburgh radar showing a decent couple. Now the beam from the Pittsburgh radar is about 5,000 feet in the air once it's over central and western Tuscarawas County, but you can still, kind of pick out a pretty good couplet right there despite the beam being pretty high. And you can also see the rotation in the bottom left. This bottom right is what we call the correlation coefficient. You see me talking about this sometimes. This is a product that is useful in picking out tornado debris, usually in higher end tornadoes. Once we get down into the EF0 range, you typically don't see a lot on this product unless the tornado is pretty close to the radar site. Again, this tornado in Tuscarawas County, pretty far away from the Pittsburgh radar, pretty far away from the Cleveland radar. It's closer to Pittsburgh, so that's why I'm showing you the Pittsburgh radar. But you're often, and it, this thing didn't cause a tremendous amount of damage. There wasn't a tremendous amount of debris, and so we're not going to get a real impressive-looking correlation coefficient signature there. This is the Stark County tornado southeast of Canal Fulton at about 5:45 Sunday evening. Again, we're fairly far from the Cleveland radar here, but still a decent-looking signature on the velocity data. There's my phone ringing, pardon me. And down here we also have a pretty good rotation as well. And again, not much on the correlation coefficient product on these lower end tornadoes. All right, so we had those tornadoes Sunday. The weather has calmed down since, so we've been dealing with a little bit of rain to our north this evening and all afternoon. Up in southwestern New York, it's been a pretty lousy day today, and it's not hard to find the front, that is for sure. We snuck into the mid-60s here today, but Buffalo no higher than 40, while Columbus got into the lower 70s this afternoon. All right, so we're halfway through the month of April, and as promised, it's been a lot better this year. Our average temperature through the first half of the month, 49.5 degrees, total snowfall under a half an inch, compared to last year. 7 degrees cooler through the first half of April last year, and we had 6 inches worth of snow. I'll take this year any day of the week. That is for sure. It's been a lot better, a lot more typical of April. We're about 3 degrees above average through the first half of the month. There's going to be some more severe weather over the next couple of days. This is the day 2 severe weather outlook for Wednesday and Wednesday night. An enhanced risk in Dallas, Oklahoma City, and up into extreme southern Kansas as well. And of course, everything shifts east then on Thursday with an enhanced risk down across the lower Mississippi Valley around the New Orleans area. Now, this same front is marching towards us on Friday, but I don't think we're going to have severe weather around here on Friday. I think we're going to have some chilly showers, though. Before we get to that point, the warm-up continues Wednesday and Thursday. Warm front lifts slowly across the area tomorrow. With this front in the vicinity, I don't think there's going to be a lot of sun tomorrow. Not much more than a stray morning shower, though. And then, yeah, we're in the warm sector on Thursday. Beautiful day, mix of sun and clouds on Thursday. All right, showers. Back in the forecast for Friday, this is going to be kind of a lousy end of the work week and start to the weekend. I think temperatures are likely to fall Friday afternoon behind this front. We'll start out in the upper 50s. We might end up in the upper 40s by the end of the day on Friday with showers around and some drizzle and yuck. Not very nice on Friday. Take advantage of Thursday if you can. And then as we head into the weekend, yeah, it looks even worse on Saturday. In the meantime, warmest day of 2019 heading our way Thursday. These numbers are probably a little bit conservative. I could see 77, 78, maybe even 79 in parts of the valley. All right, our system is going to really hit the brakes here over the weekend on Saturday. Thankfully, it's going to hit the accelerator by Sunday, but on Saturday, this system kind of lollygags around the mid-Atlantic region with light rain and drizzle and a gusty breeze. And you see the European model here trying to spit out a little pink. If this air mass is as chilly as the European model suggests, I wouldn't be surprised if we had a snowflake or two on Saturday. European's quite a bit colder than the GFS. European's been pretty consistent, though, over the last couple of days, so I'm leaning towards the colder European model ideas on Saturday. A raw day with temperatures not much better than the upper 40s. All right, but Easter's looking up. It's not going to be a real toasty Easter, but it'll be pretty seasonable, lower 60s, maybe middle 60s, and a 20% chance, maybe a 30% chance of a passing shower. It's going to be a lot better on Easter Sunday than it will be Friday and Saturday, and I showed you this last evening. I still like the looks of the longer range model trends, warmer trends in the modeling over the last couple of days for the tail end of April. So hopefully we don't see a big reversal in the model trends. I don't think we will at this point. And April should go into the record books as a warmer than average month, and we deserve it after last April. That is it for Weather Geeks tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you back here tomorrow.